So hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you the group IOs. Okay, it's important to map the group IOs with the teach pendant to give an input or output from PLC or to the PLC, okay, or from the HMI maybe. Let's say for an example, if you want to give the input of part number or anything else of the job number from the HMI, you have to select a number from the HMI, and that number would be integer, like say like it might be 5, it might be 27, it might be 24. So to give that particular integer, we have to do the group IOs. Okay, uh, I paused the video because of that sound of the fan. Okay, oh, it again started, no worries, let's continue. So uh, I am right now, I have two displays right now. If you want to go, just go to the group IOs first on one display. If you don't know, let me show you. Like, you have to go from menu to the IO and the group. Okay, so right now it's group output. You can change it from input output. Right now it's group in, it's group out. Okay, and the same way, right now I'm here in the digital output. So these are all the digital outputs. We have to first go to the config. We have to press F2. So here we can see like what range, what rack number, what slot number has been assigned to a particular digital output. Okay, so we have to assign this thing with this group output, whatever you want to set. So for example, let me show you. If you can see, yeah, so right now it's Akash group IO. I had written in the command in the name of the group IO group output number 5. Okay, so first let me go to the detail of it. Oh, I'm over here. So sorry, I have to go to config. So in 5 number group output, it's rack number 1, slot number 2, and start point number 1. And I had done this num points is like for the number of bits. If we are 4, then it's 4 bits. It's 8 bits, 16 bits, anything you can do it, right? So I had done assign this thing like over here. Over here, the rack number 1, slot number 2, and start point is 1. I had done the same thing, rack number 1, slot number 2, start point number 1. And the 4 bits. Okay, you can assign whatever you want, like as per your requirement and your need. Okay, so then if we go back from the config to the monitor, pressing F2, right now we are in the group output 5, and you can see the values over here. You would see the change in the values over here when I change some digital outputs. Okay, so in my digital outputs, uh, I had assigned like from 17, 18, 19, and 20 bits to this group output. Okay, I will show you turning on and off this in outputs, digital outputs. You will see the change over here. So let me turn off. Yes. Let me turn off everything. I'm pressing shift instead of F5. So right now all outputs are off. Okay, so my value is 0 over here. Let's say I turn on 17 bit number 1 on, you would see a value 1 over here. I will turn it off again. If I turn on 18 digital output, second bit on, you will see 2 over here. Let me turn off again. If I turn on the third bit, you will see 4 over here. Turn off again, and on the fourth bit you will see 8 over here. Turn off again. So adding this values 8, 4, 2, 1, we can set a particular integer number over here in the values. Let me do like if I do on a this fourth bit, third bit, and second bit, and let's say all I had on all the four bits. So here it's 15 right now. So you can set this register, you can set these numbers from the PLCs or to the PLCs from the HMIs to give a value of an integer, not just digital on or off, 1 and 0, nothing like that, but you can give a particular integer to that. I hope you understood this thing. I would also, I can make all, I don't know, I will make or not. I can make another program for assigning this particular integer inside a program to run a particular job, to run a particular program, to jump to any particular label or something like that. And let me just give you a quick. So just for understanding more, like these are the four bits, the lowest and the highest one. This is like 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. So 1001 means like it is 9. If like all ones are on, like it's 15. Yeah, it's 15 as I showed you in the touch on the teach panel. Okay. So I hope you all liked my video, and uh, stay tuned for more such insightful videos, and also follow me on LinkedIn for my weekly manufacturing posts. And that's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.